Hello everybody, we are the Poke Nerds, Mr. Blizzard.
And Sarah School.
And today we are going to be trying out the game corner on 2 Island. Sadly, we cannot do the Trio berry picking because you need 3 people to do that and there's just the 2 of us. So we're going to try the Pokemon jump, which I can use any of these 4 to use. I was hoping Goldeen could do it, but she couldn't.
I was going to do Magikarp, but...
Cain or Maui? With Cain.
Why'd you name it Cain? Like, after Cain and Abel?
I don't know, I forget why I named it
Cain. Because Cain is he kind of did the first murder.
You know what, whatever. Oh, I just exited, my bad. That's what you get for spamming B.
Yeah, do A. But yes, this is Pokemon Jump, which, from what we understand, is jumping the rope, but we've never played this before, so
we don't know how it'll work.
Join group. I'm here. Squall. Blizzard with 1 Z. Like a lizard, but with a B.
Blizzard. Oh, it has a... Oh, you know, whatever. Okay.
Press start when everyone's ready. Okay, so I think you can do this multiple people. Don't let the others beat you. Oh, they won't.
That's kind of the point.
Oh, they won't. Whee! I'm using my shiny Clefairy. So do we...
Okay, how do we jump?
I think you just, like, A. Boing. Boing. Oh, this is fun.
Okay.
Go faster. Boing. Boing.
Okay, this is... Oh, shoot. It didn't work.
Want to play again? Yes.
Yes.
Alright. You better be good at this.
Come on.
My shiny Clefairy, I'm just flexing on you as I jump the rope.
Okay. I got this. I got this.
Yes, you do. Oh, no, that was
let's go about 1. Okay, now it's 1. Now it's 1-1.
1-1.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, I'm locking in. My shiny Clefairy.
Alright, we got this.
Boing. Boing. This is... Why is this so fun? Oh, that nice almost distracted me. Jump. Jump. Jump.
I think it's getting faster.
If we jump at the same time, we get a bonus. Stop jumping. No!
Alright, let's go. Alright, it's 2-1. 2-1.
Stop jumping. We gotta jump at the same time. You ready? Because then we get bonus points. So you ready? I'm gonna count down. You go. 3, 2, 1, jump! 3, 2, 1, jump!
What?
What are you doing?
Your counting distracted me. That's why I lost. Okay, now it's 2-2.
2-2.
I'm jumping whenever I want to jump.
Okay, fine. We won't get bonus points and we won't be very good. It just steadily gets faster. Which means steadily and steadily. We're going to have to jump at the same time. Why can't Magikarp do this? Seriously, Magikarp can do this.
Okay,
so now it's what,
2-3.
Oh, it's only 2-3. I thought it was 2-4.
Nope, it's 2-3.
Oh, this is so much fun. Whee! Whee! What are you
I
doing?
jumped too early.
2-4.
Okay. I've got it this time.
You got it this time, he says. Boing. 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 Nice.
The boinging sound effects are not necessary.
Oh, but they're fun. I thought I was gonna hit the rope there. Don't mess up. Oh, it's getting faster. It's getting faster. I got 430 points. We both have.
Okay, we went 18 times. That's pretty impressive.
That's pretty good.
Let's see if we can beat that.
Okay, we're no longer competing against each other. We're competing against our record. Can we beat 18 times?
I jumped too early. I was too used to it being too fast.
Come on, we're both musicians. Get your sense of rhythm in here. You gotta watch the rhythm and boing. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. That's not helping. Come on, we gotta be 18 times. My shiny Clefairy is absolutely winning. I so thought that was gonna hit you, and I was so ready to be like, dude, we're doing so good. Come on. Okay, we beat 18. We beat 18.
How many can we do? How many can we do? Shoot.
So fast,
Okay,
just
okay.
jump. Just jump. Just jump. Just jump. Just no! It didn't let me jump.
35 times.
Let's try that again.
I don't think we can beat 35.
We'll try a few times, but if we can't, we'll end the video, because... Boing. 9. Yeah, we can't get 35, because you can't do 2 jumps.
Well, I can do 2 jumps, just not
Consecutively. Whee! Whee!
I jumped too early again. I'm used to it going fast.
Yeah, I'm used to it doing fast. We're musicians. Sync with the beat.
Yeah, and switching tempo, it can be really obnoxious.
Well, that is also true. Oh, nice. Nice! What are you doing?
I don't know what just happened.
Maybe we need to switch up Pokemon.
Maybe.
Eevee is cursed. Why can't I do this with my Charizard, man? Or my Gengar? Okay, we're switching Pokemon.
Okay, we're switching Pokemon.
Hit no. We're switching Pokemon. Switch your Pokemon. So I'll just create another room.
Alright.
And you join. And don't be Eevee. I will be the group leader. I am a natural born leader. And you still haven't beat this game.
No, I've been playing Champions, and I was also playing ZA, which I also have not beat. I'm not very...
Jumping.
I often lack motivation to finish Pokemon games. So I get like halfway through and then just give up.
Behold!
Alright, let's do this.
Behold the new champions! Speaking of champions. Poliwrath and Kabutops. Yeah, why can't I do this with my defense form Deoxys?
What?
Like, I want to
Okay,
do
that
this
was
with, like, Deoxys or Ho-Oh or something.
I want to do this with my, Magneton, who just floats off the ground and...
What are you doing?
Guys, I'm selling.
Less talkie, more lucky him. My voice is getting very high. It's because I am. Okay, come on. Make it past the second one. Oh my gosh, we made it 2 whole ones. That's incredible. It's a world record. That one was almost me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't wait until the last second. You make me nervous. Come on. No.
Okay, we got 14 times.
But Kabuto got
not
Vine
really
Whipped.
done.
He's done for. 4 times as effective.
It's extremely effective.
It's extremely effective. Kabuto went flying off into the nether. What are you doing?
That was all of you.
That was your you tricks.
For the record, guys, I am Squall. I'm a Polywog.
No.
You guys can't see that. You guys can't see that.
Stop selling.
Why is this so hard?
Dude, it's not. I wish I could do this alone. Because I would probably do, like, infinitely better. Kabuto falls fast. Are you seeing this? Kabuto falls way faster than Poliwag.
Does weight have something to... Wait, okay, so there's this kid who has dialogue about Pokemon going boing, and some going
Like, look
boing.
Look at how boing I go. Look at how much higher I jump than
Which
you.
means that some Pokemon jump higher than others.
Right?
And so the heavier ones aren't as good. Oh, I just... Okay, that was all my fault.
Are you recording?
Yeah. It's fine.
I want to run the coffee grinder. So
Oh, run the coffee grinder. We'll just mute the microphone.
Okay.
Give us a moment as my mother brews some coffee. I am not happy right now. We're gonna switch Pokemon real quick.
Alright, we're back. He's switching his Pokemon because Kabuto drops like a rock. I'm still using Poliwag. Yes.
Yeah, because hopefully Nidoran Girl can jump a lot better.
Some Pokemon go boing. Okay, we have to, like, just to verify we're not crazy at the end of the video, you have to go out and show that NPC dialogue.
Okay, I will.
But some Pokemon go boing, and some Pokemon go boing.
Alright, this Nidoran's going boing.
No, this Poliwag's going boing even more. Boing.
I pressed the wrong button, oh my gosh. I feel like such an idiot right now. I pressed the wrong button.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Guys, I'm having too much fun right now. Boing. Yo, you boing more. You're not as, like, rock heavy as Kabuto. I boing more, but you still boing. Yes, nice.
Okay,
I was just about to kick you, but then I realized the cam wasn't on, so they couldn't see me kick you. The lovely 3 people that will watch this video. Speaking of which, if you're watching this video and you've watched this far, you enjoy our antics, so please subscribe to the channel so you can see more of our antics. Shameless plug there. What are you doing?
I literally pressed the button, I didn't jump. It's rigged.
Obviously, you're not pressing... Hold on. Can I press other buttons to jump? Turns out, no. Oh, okay, that was me.
I win.
Me. No, we're not going to win. We're trying to beat our high score of 35.
I don't think that's happening.
No, I will beat it with my boing. Because some Pokemon go boing, and some Pokemon go boing.
Oh! Guys, I'm coming back. I'm getting good at this.
I'm selling. No,
I'm getting good.
You're not getting good. I'm just selling.
I'm getting good.
I'm just selling. Wee. How do we not get a nice for that first jump? I wait until it's just about a Poliwag's eyes, and then I jump.
Okay, we're doing better. Don't sell.
I'm not going to.
No messing up.
No. Nothing to put the pressure on, like someone saying, don't mess up. I like how it just kind of freezes them back there for a moment. Gives us time. Okay, come on. Just start, like, spamming it at this point.
We're doing it.
We did it.
No, I didn't jump.
We beat it. We beat it.
We beat it though. We got 36. We got 36.
We got 36. All right,
36.
let's see if we can beat that. We're only at, like, what, 13 minutes on this?
Yeah, we should probably wrap this up pretty quickly.
We can go.
Alright, this is our last try.
Okay, we should have just made that the last try and ended the. Okay, that was not our last try. I'm not ending like that.
Okay.
Alright, next time we can break the high score will be the last try. And if we're here for another 6 hours, we will be.
Alright.
Actually, that's why I want to go to bed. I want to sleep. Unfortunately, Mr. Blizzard here is making that a little difficult.
Alright, I got it.
Alright, come on. We're going to break our high score. We're going to do the best. We're going to do the best we've done. Wait until it's at Poliwag's eyes and then jump. Nice, we're synced up. Oh. Okay, come on. Keep it going. We can do this. Okay. If all else, I think we already have more score than that round that we did really good on. Because I think our final score on that was like 740 or something. Come on. You're making me nervous, dude. You don't jump the rope until like the last second. Come on.
Okay, the pressure's building. The pressure's building.
36!
No!
You know what? Do we just end it there?
Yeah, I say we send it there. To prove that I'm not crazy, we will go. I will go and talk to that kid.
You have to go
outside.
talk to the boing kid. I'm just going to save my game and turn it off. But yeah, this kid right here. Boing boing. Have you tried the jumping games? The Pokemon you can enter. Boing. Some go boing. And some go boing. Alright, on that note, we're ending the video.